Picture this. You're scrolling on TikTok, laughing at skits and dance challenges when suddenly you see someone trying to sell some cool stuff. And then you realize you could be the one making the money while others scroll. That's where selling Doba products on TikTok comes in. Doba is filled with thousands of trending products ready to sell. And TikTok, that's your stage where short, creative videos can turn everyday viewers into instant buyers. Put them together and you got one of the hottest money-making combos of 2025. But before that, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get paid. You don't need a big budget or a giant storage room stacked with boxes. Doba handles the inventory and shipping for you. You just pick the products, showcase them in your TikToks, and collect your profits. It's basically dropshipping built for the TikTok generation. Whether you're hyping up the latest gadgets, showing off must-have home finds, or creating viral TikTok made me buy it moments, the potential to earn is huge. It's simple, fast, and one of the most exciting side hustles right now. Okay, so now check out this portable lap desk. I love this. You can keep it on the side of your bed. It's only $20.04. It's shipped from the US, of course. So you're going to get it immediately. Look how cute it is. You can put your laptop, you can put your iPad, you can put your tablet, your phone, your little cup of coffee on the side with the mouse. You can travel with that. It is so easy, so small. And I love it. And it's just perfect for over your lap when you're eating breakfast too. So now I just showed it to you for $20.04. Check it out here on eBay for $27.35. Same exact lap desk table. Okay? It's portable. I love it. You can even have your breakfast on it. You know what I mean? You can put this over your lap. Now, check it out at Bed Bath & Beyond. $40.49. I'm telling you, you could sell this on TikTok. Look at this. And see, somebody had my idea. See how she's having breakfast? They showed it having breakfast on it. I love it. So now, if you can look at this, Target. $50, $49.99. Talk about it. It's on sale, regular $59.99. So you know darn well you could sell us for at least $40 on TikTok and make that $20 profit. Look at this. All these places are selling it. And last but not least, AliExpress, $95.78. Are you kidding me? Same exact desk. Okay, so now you know you can sell this for 40, 45. Sell it on TikTok. It will sell out. Check this out. A Doba 5-piece wall-mounted cat climber set for $50.95. There's like the floating shelves for the cats, for your little fur babies. It is so beautiful. Look at this. Your cats will thank you. You could sell this on TikTok. It's featured on TikTok. Comes with the cat house, the cat bridge, cat jumping platforms, the tree, and the cat scratching board for $50.95. And it's coming from the US. All right, now look at that. You can sell it for $69.79. They have it on Amazon. Look at this. Look how adorable. And it's easy to put together. And it's very, very strong. Okay, so it's like 1, 2, 3. Your cats are going to love it. You could sell it like this. Make a video with your cat on it. One of your cat, if you have more than one cat, make a video like this and put it on TikTok. I'm telling you, everybody's gonna go crazy for it. You can sell it. $50.95 at Doba. You make a little fur baby video with your little kitty cats jumping all around it. It's on and popping after that. Everybody's gonna want one. It will be the cutest little TikTok video ever. Okay? And you can sell it in your TikTok shop. And check this blouse out. I'm excited. Does this look familiar? Okay. Look at this. Look how they have it modeled. Look at this on Doba for $19.88. And it's comfortable too. Look how she's modeling it. She is rocking it. $19.88. It's comfortable. I'm wearing it because I love this top. And I had to get it. I had to get it. Oh my goodness. 1988. Remember, now Amazon's selling it for $29.99. Look how long it takes to get it. All the way to September 23rd. That's like a month. Okay. And Doba, you can get it within 3 to 5 days. It's already shipped out in 3 days. You'll have it within 5 to 7. Look how many days. A month. Okay. Amazon, you could be selling this. You could be selling this on Amazon. 29, sell it for 28. And look at this shop. Selling it for $65. Look at this. I mean, she looks cute in it. But you can make a TikTok video and look just as adorable in it. You could do, I'm about to make a TikTok video. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna be like, modeling it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna sell this out. I'm gonna pair it with a pair of jeans, maybe some shorts, and I'm gonna be selling this on TikTok. I am telling you, it is so comfortable. I love the front part of the top, like the little bit of the lace on the top. Oh my goodness. And it goes with everything. It goes with everything. It's, oh my goodness, I'm loving this top. Oh, and you could also, if you don't like it, you could always put a little tank top underneath it if you want. You could pair this with some shorts, some jeans. Oh my goodness, and it's comfortable. You can even dress it up. You could put a blazer over it. Like when it starts getting a little cold out, put a blazer with some dress pants. Rock it with a kitten heel. You got this, right? So you should show this when you make your TikTok video. Model it in different ways and sell it. I guarantee you'll sell out. You don't need polished ads. TikTok users love quick, natural clips that feels real. Show the product in action. Make it fun. And always think, would I stop scrolling for this? Post consistently, at least 2 to 3 times a day if you can, and experiment with different hooks in your first 3 seconds. The algorithm rewards engagement, so encourage people to comment or share. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start selling, hit that link, grab a product, and let TikTok and Doba do the heavy lifting. Your next viral sale could be just one video away. Don't wait. Your hustle starts now. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Doba. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.